Welcome back, guys. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your ad account and set it up the proper way, how you can add payment to your ad account and set up your ad manager account for you to start running ads properly with Facebook. Now, in the previous modules, we've created a Facebook page and also we've set up our Meta business account. What you simply want to do to reach this particular page, you just log into your Facebook account, then open a separate tab and type in business.facebook.com. Now, what you simply want to do here is just to come over to your ads account right here. Now, as you can see, we don't have, it says Mayor Ads doesn't have any ads account yet, and it's saying manage your ad account. So what you simply have to do here is just to click on add, because we don't have any ad accounts before. Now, before you create an ad account, note that Facebook actually limits the amount of ad account that you can create as a new Facebook user, as a new advertiser. They will limit you to one ad account. With time, when you start advertising with Facebook and you follow their policy for a week or two, then they can extend your limit and you can create multiple ad accounts for your business. Then the next thing to do is just to click on create a new ad account. Now here, what you simply want to do is just input your ad account name. So I'm just going to put in Mayor. Then the next thing you want to do is just to make sure that your time zone is correct. So my own time zone is Africa, Lagos right here. Then also you want to select the currency that you'll be paying Facebook with. Please, this is very important. This is very important. If you are in Nigeria, you want to make sure you select NGN. If you are in any other country, you make sure you select your currency so that you won't have issue later on. You have to make sure you select your currency that you can pay Facebook with. All right. Then what you simply want to do is just to click on next. Now, as you can see right here, it says, who will this ads account be used for? Okay, it said this ad account will be used for my business, which is Mayor Ads, or another business or client. Okay, this is implying that if you have a team, maybe you are running an organization on maybe like on Facebook ads, you run ad for people, then you want to make sure you select for another business or client. But if you are creating for yourself, it's very simple. Just click on my business. You can see it has already put in brackets Mayor Ads. Okay, so you want to click on my business, then you click on create. Now we have successfully created our ad account. The next thing we would just need to do is just to give this particular ad account the full control. Now you can see here it said manage ad account, manage campaign, view performance. We want to have access to all of these as the owner of the ad account. Now this is also very important. You can add people and set permission. In case of you have another people on the team that you want to add, you can add them right here. If you want, you can give them full control over your ad account. If you want, you can give them partial access to the aspect that they need to work on. Okay, so when you are simply done, just click on assign. Now as you can see, it says account successfully created. Now what we simply need to do is just to add a payment info right here. Now what you simply want to do is just to select add payment info, and as you can see, it says add payment information. It will bring your local location and currency. So you want to select your appropriate location. So this is my appropriate location. If you're in Nigeria, you want to select Nigeria Naira and also select Nigeria. Then you want to select the correct time zone. Okay, then you click on next. Okay, now so this is the most important part for people residing in Nigeria. So if you are residing in Nigeria, you might have issues making payments for Facebook. This is because you are missing out on this amazing opportunity that Facebook has done for you. Okay, Facebook has actually partnered with a payment processor, which is PayU, that you can use to actually make payments with your local currency right here. So if you are in any other country, okay, you can easily go ahead and pay with your debit or credit card. But there are two ways you can actually make payments on Facebook. You can make payments with your card, which you have to run advertisements before, then Facebook will charge your card later on. And also you can make payments into your prepaid account. Okay, this is the method I'll be showing you guys here, how to create a prepaid account using PayU right here. So if PayU is not available here for your own country, what you simply have to do is just to skip this particular process. You can just add your debit or credit card, then you later on go ahead, there will be an option for you to pay into your prepaid account with your card later on. Okay, so if you're in Nigeria, you just have to select this Naira payments with MasterCard, and whichever payment you make through this payment processor, it will be directly into your prepaid card, into your prepaid account. That key thing that will make me recommend this prepaid account method is that you don't want to owe Facebook money, or else your ad accounts will be in problem. Facebook has trust issues, and if you don't get on their good side, you might have issues advertising with Facebook. Okay, for example, if you are running ads and maybe mistakenly you have overspent on your ad, and Facebook is trying to charge your card and it is saying card decline. The more card declination you have, the more Facebook will see you as a threat, and you are likely to get your ad account restricted or even permanently banned from their platform. Okay, but with the prepaid account, it is automatic. Okay, the algorithm will know the amount that is already inside your prepaid account, and it works towards that amount. It cannot overspend, and there cannot be any declination of card, because whenever your money finish, then that's the end. Your ad will stop running. It's just as simple as that. Once you are done, just select next. So the next you want to simply do here, if you are in a country that you use value added taxes, so you maybe have tax information, so you want to fill in this your tax information, but it is totally optional. You can still skip this process. So I'm just going to hit on skip. Now here you can just add a random funds onto this account right here. So it is totally fine. Even if you add just a little amount, so that you can just get your ad account set up and make sure that the payment is actually going through. So I'm just going to add 100 naira point here right here. So I'm just gonna hit on the next button. So you want to hit on this continue button right here. Now, as you can see, it says we accept major credit cards including Visa and MasterCard. The accepted payment options are provided below. Note that PayU is also available not only in Nigeria. Okay, it's available in some countries also. So you can check if your country is available among the countries that PayU is available with. So then you can easily pay locally, okay, and fill in your card details, your local card details. Then you click on pay once you are done, and this will actually reflect immediately once you've made your payments. So I'm just going to close it up, and now the next thing is for you to connect your Instagram account. If you have one and if you're ready to advertise with your Instagram account, then you want to simply go ahead to Instagram accounts right here. And as you can see, I haven't linked any Instagram accounts yet, and it's very, very simple to link your Instagram accounts. So what you simply want to do is just to click on this add button. Now, as you can see, it said you can only add an Instagram professional account to a Meta business account. If you add a personal Instagram account, it will be switched to a professional one. This is what you need to bear in mind. It has to be a professional Instagram account. So it is easy to change. If you go to your settings on your Instagram account, you see those settings there for you to change your personal account to professional account. There's no requirements required for you to change that. So what you simply want to do is just click on this connect your Instagram account. Now what you simply have to do here is just to log in directly into your Instagram account. So input your username and password. That is that. Then once you log in, your Instagram account will easily connect, and it will show on this particular page right here. So let me just go back. It will show directly on this page that okay, you have linked to your Instagram account. It's as simple as that. If you want to link your WhatsApp account, you come over to the WhatsApp account section right here and you link your WhatsApp account. It's as simple as that also. Now for this next step, if you are using your smartphone to follow me, you have to make sure you change these settings before you go on to this next step, because you might have errors coming up. You might not be able to access this page if you don't know what I'm about to instruct you to do. So what you simply want to do is just to go over to the settings of your phone. Maybe if you're using a Chrome browser, just go over to the settings. Okay, so then you want to click on the drop down. It is currently not on this particular, it will not be on system, but you will see a desktop mode, okay, on this particular right hand side. Maybe on the angle, you click on the hamburger button, then you scroll down, you see the desktop mode. Then you want to select that desktop mode before coming to this ads manager, so that you'll be able to access this ad manager, okay, because that it can only be accessed on a system. Okay, now as you can see, so our ads manager is loading up, and this is a beautiful notification that actually popped up. So it said ad account disabled. Okay, so you can see that I took this very, very lightly. Why? Because I knew that this will actually happen. It is inevitable for every advertisers you actually get this, and it is very, very amazing that I got this when I'm even explaining this to you guys, so that you guys, if you actually face this particular problem, you know how you can go about it. Now, don't actually fret, okay? So you might be thinking, oh, everything is done, your Facebook account is gone. No, what Facebook is actually trying to do is just to confirm if you are the real owner of this account. So their way of saying, okay, let me just confirm whether you are the real owner, is no, by temporarily disabling your account. This is just temporarily disabling your account. It's not permanent disabling. Okay, so what you simply have to do now, if you encounter this issue, just check the video that is showing currently up right now. The card is showing currently right now, or check the link in the description. I'll leave a link in the description for you to check how you can easily get this your ad account back. I've explained in length what you will do step by step in that video on how you can get your ad accounts back. And this same step is what I'll be doing now, and I'm going to be using to get my ad accounts back. So make sure you go ahead and watch that video, and also come back again after you've gotten your ad accounts back. Then you come back to complete your Facebook ad manager setup. Now, coming over to this particular reason why they actually disabled my Facebook account. As you can see, they said we noticed unusual activity on this business account and have restricted its access to advertising. Now, as an admin of this business, we can take you through a few steps to request a review of the advertising access by confirming your identity. As you can see, this is what I said. So make sure you go ahead and watch that video, and to get more information on how you can easily confirm your identity and what you need to bear in mind, so that you won't be we won't lose access to your Facebook account forever, because there are some crucial steps that you need to follow there. Okay, and even if you haven't gotten this particular red flag, expect it anytime. So you need to have the knowledge so that whenever it comes, you won't be running around and miss out on what you simply need to do to get it back within 2 minutes. So go ahead and watch the video right away. Now, once you have gotten your ad account back, just come over back here and let's proceed with what we are doing. Then come over to your ad manager and then click on this I accept. You want to read everything they bring to you so that the terms and conditions that you're accepting. So you want to click on I accept. Now then you want to click on done. Simple as that. Next thing we want to simply do is just to read this particular additional information up here. They said, does your business may your ads focus on politics or on advocating for issues of national importance? So if it is, then you select yes. If it is not, then you select no. But for mine, it's actually no, because if you are advertising if it is focusing on national importance, then you have some more additional information to provide for Facebook. So I'm going to select no. Then the next thing you want to simply do is just to come over to this go to account overview. Now, as you can see, we have verified our payment method, and also our email address has been verified. So if you haven't verified your email address, so you want to make sure you go ahead and verify your email address, but it's not really that of a requirement. So the next thing you want to simply do is just to confirm your Facebook page right here. Then once you hit on this confirm button, now after doing that, now we'll now be able to create ad easily. Now if you go back, you can see that it is now blank, no results found. You can now easily create our first Facebook ad. If you're facing any problem setting up your Facebook ad manager account, feel free to drop all your questions in the comment section. I'm going to be responding to all your comments. And also, if you actually got value from this video, please go ahead and hit on the like button. That will mean so much to me. Like I said earlier, it is inevitable if you are running ad with Facebook that you will definitely have your Facebook ad banned. It is inevitable. And now it might be due to you violating Facebook policy, and it might also even be because you actually just created your Facebook ad manager account. Facebook might ban you because they want to confirm whether you are the real owner of the Facebook account that you are using. And it is so simple to actually get your Facebook ad accounts back easily for you to start advertising, and I've explained that in this video. My name is Olawale. I remain the mayor of Mayor Concept, and I'll see you in this video.